Epres just gifted me their Healthy Hair 3-step system, and I am so excited to put this to the test. Now, this is my hair right now. I showered yesterday, so it's a little flat, little messy, but I always have fine hair, prone to breakage. I've been doing everything I can to fight it, and I am very excited to try this out. I have tested out the shampoo and conditioner already. I tried these last week when I got them, but I was just finishing up some other bottles of shampoo and conditioner that now I'm finished with. So this is going to be my system for the next 4 to 6 weeks, however long this lasts. It'll probably last longer knowing me, but I am so excited. Now, when I tried the shampoo and conditioner, I was incredibly impressed. These are very different than you'd expect. With the shampoo, it's very, very light in how much it suds up the first time, but it is designed to use for double washing, especially because you really shouldn't wash your hair that often, as every time you wash your hair, you can increase breakage and get rid of all of the natural oils in it. So once I did the second suds with this, it sudsed up much more. It has a bit of an odd scent. They actually both do. They have a bit of a smell of almost clay and vanilla. I would say the shampoo smells a little more vanilla and the conditioner smells a little more clay-like. So that part's kind of funny. And then you get to the conditioner and it's very, very light. Didn't feel like it was going to work at all. I thought I was going to have tangles when I got out. But the reality is once I got out of the shower and dried my hair, the first thing I noticed is that my hair was already so much drier by the time I got to pulling out the hair dryer than it ever is before. And that's because these don't leave any residue on your hair. And that was the next thing I noticed, is that my hair was so much more lightweight. It had so much more natural body, and it just felt so, so healthy. Now, how that's possible is these are high-tech quat-free shampoo and conditioner that are actually designed to strengthen the interior bonds of your hair, and they are meant for any damaged hair, color treated hair, fine hair like mine, and they really should strengthen from within and give you fuller, healthier hair moving forward. So I'm really thrilled that they just gave me their bond repair treatment, as this is all meant to go together as a single set. And this is the final piece that will really let me test this all together. Now, obviously, I haven't used this yet, but I am so excited. It comes with a reusable spray bottle, and then it comes with the vials. It looks like I can access the vials from the bottom of the box. And what's cool about these vials is that you can get more of just the vials and keep refilling the spray bottle. Oh, wow. Those are incredible. They are very, very fascinating. Just beautiful vial of this treatment for your hair. And how these work is you're going to add this into the spray bottle, add water to fill it all the way up, as this is a concentrate, and then this you'll spritz on your hair and work in 10 minutes before you take your shower and do the full treatment. And that's how it's all going to work together. So Epres promises that this spray will repair and restore your hair in just 10 minutes. The shampoo protects against damage, and the conditioner instantly smooths and detangles. And I don't think I got to that part, is that when I used this, it didn't feel like it was detangling in the way I'm used to. And that's because in the shower, I'm so used to so many conditioners almost feeling a little slimy on my hair. That's a terrible word, I know, but it feels like there is something on each strand. With this, you don't feel that, but once you dry your hair, it is perfect. I had no tangles whatsoever. My hair was very easy to run my fingers or a brush through, and it just worked beautifully. So I will be using this set moving forward, and I will follow up on this video with a before and after video of my experience, whether this is 4 weeks or 6 weeks, somewhere around there, I will be coming back and doing my follow-up. I am so very excited considering how well these worked just on using them twice. I am confident that adding in the bond repair spray is going to make this so much more amazing. If you are looking for high-tech science for your hair to truly improve your strands and restore your hair, strengthen your hair, get healthier, happier hair moving forward, I'm really optimistic about Epres, and I cannot wait to show you the results. The Epres Healthy Hair 3-Step System Starter Kit. I'm so excited.